If you know that you have aborted before, come here, let us talk. Tó bá mọ̀ wípé o ti ṣẹ́yún rí, come here, this video is for you. Now, I'm going to make a full video explaining this later. But for today, let us just quickly do this. So now, if you've aborted before, you need aftercare. By the way, we don't do abortion at about, so don't bring it. Go and see your doctor or go to your hospital if you know you want to do it. But that aftercare abortion, please just come to us. By the way, if you are still bleeding, don't come to us. Go to your hospital. But after everything is done, probably after like 3 months after your abortion, if you know you are not seeing your period, or for those of you that have started seeing your period, come and get our flusher. It is necessary. You are prone to infection. You see, this not taking good care of yourself after abortion is the one that usually cause all those complications later. That maybe later you're not trying to give birth, you're unable to give birth, you're prone to infection, you're prone to a lot of things after your abortion. So come and get our flusher. You need it. Whoever is telling you that you don't need it is deceiving you. This is a herbal flusher that will help you flush out all those remnants, all those things that will probably block your womb, or that will be making conception difficult for you later in the future. You need to use our apps for it. You even need to treat infection immediately after these things. So ladies, I don't want to say much about this. I'll explain fully later some other time. If you know that you've just aborted and you are not bleeding again, you are cool, probably like 2 months after your abortion, or you've already started seeing your period, or your period is still not coming, that's after the abortion, and then you are not pregnant after the test, just come to us. Come and get our flusher, come and get our treatment, and you would